So, Motorwall.store is basically an online store selling car-themed wall shelves designed to look like the rear or side of famous performance cars. The concept is pretty cool, especially if you're a car enthusiast, but there are some serious things the marketing doesn't tell you. The biggest red flag is how new the website is. Motorwall.store was registered on August 17, 2026, and several independent website checking services currently flag it as high risk or suspicious. I'd also be careful with the site's customer reviews and discounts. The store looks polished and offers major promotions, but there's very little established independent customer history to confirm that orders are actually being fulfilled as advertised. One review of the site also found limited business information and missing or incomplete customer protection policies. So, is Motorwall.store a scam? I wouldn't make that claim as an absolute fact, but there are enough warning signs that I'd personally avoid buying from it right now. Overall, the product idea looks interesting, but a cool car-shaped shelf isn't worth risking your money. If you do decide to buy, use a payment method with strong buyer protection and make sure you understand the return and refund terms first. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.